Imagine you have a million numbers and someone keeps asking, what is the sum from index 10,000 to 900,000? Then changes the value. Then asks again and again. A naive scan takes forever. There is a better way. Think of a library. To count books on shelves 7 through 20, you could walk past each shelf one by one, slow. Or you could keep a running tally at the entrance. Fast to read, but every time a book moves, you must redo the tally. We need both fast queries and fast updates. This is where the segment tree shines. It is a binary tree built over your array, where every node stores the answer for a contiguous range. The root covers everything. Its children split the range in half, down and down, until each leaf holds a single element. Watch it build. The array 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 becomes a tree of sums. Each parent is the sum of its children. The total 36 sits at the top. The structure uses roughly 2n memory and has height log n. Now, the magic. To query the sum from index 2 to 5, we descend from the root. If a node's range lies entirely inside our query, we take its value and stop. If it lies entirely outside, we ignore it. Only partial overlaps split further. In log n steps, we have our answer. Updating is just as elegant. Change index 3 from 7 to 10. We walk down to that leaf, change it, then bubble the new sums back up, touching only one node per level. Log n work, no rebuild. Now level up. What if you want to add 5 to every element from index 1 to 4? Updating each leaf would cost linear time, so we cheat beautifully. We mark a node as lazy, meaning this whole range owes an update, and we only push it down when we actually need to look inside. This is lazy propagation, and it keeps range updates at log n too. The same skeleton solves a universe of problems. Replace sum with minimum, and you get range minimum queries. With maximum, greatest common divisor, or XOR, the tree does not care, as long as the operation is associative. Store sorted lists in each node, and you get a merge sort tree. Keep old versions, and you get a persistent segment tree, time travel through your data. Go two-dimensional, and you query rectangles in a grid. Here is the heart of it in code. A build function that recurses and combines. A query that prunes whole subtrees. An update that walks a single path. 20 lines. Industrial strength. Wherever data lives in ranges, stock prices, game leaderboards, computational geometry, image processing, even database engines, the segment tree is quietly working underneath. Master it once, and 1,000 problems collapse into a familiar shape. If this clicked for you, like, subscribe, and tell me which data structure I should unfold next. The tree is waiting.